Think of me like your internet dad who teaches you practical life skills. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the Real Rileys, where we discuss and improve real life, real ministry, and real faith. And we are one family with multiple channels, including How-tos, church, faith, marriage, and online business. Please take 1 second to support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And we love to get to know you, so comment below and introduce yourself. Our goal with this channel is to discuss real how-tos, real reviews, and real DIYs. We help common people become competent and confident. If we haven't met, my name is Curtis Riley, and this is my family, Erika, Judah, and Zeke. And can we get real for a second? Sometimes it's not okay to not be okay, but sometimes we're not okay. People on social media, speakers, influencers, they don't really post negative things, the fights, the brokenness, or the struggles of real life. All you see is the rainbows and smiles. When I asked my wife about this, she said, I won't do it unless we can be real. She said, I won't pretend like we are perfect. And we are real people with real problems. As a person, I feel like I'm a jack of all trades but master of none. I've got a lot of different experience with a lot of different types of jobs. For all those things, I had to wear multiple hats. And I had to learn and teach myself to do a lot of different things. And I feel like through our experiences, God has given us some things that He wants us to share with others. Our goal is to help people with real life issues. And honestly, I want to see as many people get to heaven as I can. So if you like this channel, check out our other channels too. Just click on the Channels tab. Erika and I have been married for 15 years, we planted and led a church plant for 12 years, and we've been able to flip multiple houses. It's safe to say that we've learned a lot along the way, and although we are far from perfect, we'd love to help you solve some of your problems by sharing the solutions that we found to our own. I taught myself how to play the guitar in 7th grade, and later learned to play the right way. We accidentally flipped multiple houses just by trying to be frugal. I've worked at a cabinet shop. I've worked at an auto shop. We've been married for 15 years, and we led a church for 12 years. You can expect videos with instructionals and how-tos, book, product, and movie reviews. Fun things like 2 bites, everyone knows the rules, DIY projects, guitar techniques, motorcycles, cars, home improvement. We can't wait to help you learn some new skills, save some money, make good decisions, grow as a person, and improve your home and life. So make sure to subscribe and sign up for our email broadcast so that you never miss out. You can typically expect new videos Sundays at 7. And you'll definitely want to grab some free mini courses at therealrileys.com. And make sure to check out everything we offer, including online courses, coaching, discussions, lessons, personal appearances, church consultations, and more. We've got resources for playing guitar, preaching, DIY projects, marriage, Bible studies, weight loss, websites, online business, worship, and more. I'd also recommend checking out one of our communities where you can hang out with like-minded people and have an opportunity for your specific question to be answered in the next live Q&A. Follow us on YouTube, all the channels that apply to you, and check out our website and social media at therealrileys.com. Now, we have not arrived and we have a lot to learn, but hopefully some of the things that we've learned the hard way and we're still learning can help you. Hey, we hope to see you around in the future, but until then, keep it real.